Okay, here. Put your hands right here. Push. Both hands. Both hands. Doing great. You're pushing it. You're doing a great job. You are such a big help. Yeah, you're pushing it very hard. Pushing it very, very hard. Okay, time for a rest. Time for a rest. Yep. Too much? That's not how it works? No, no. Oh, you picked it up off the ground.
I don't think you need any more.
My ears. You pick it up off the ground? You put it on your face and your ear. You put it in your ear. Here, let me see your cheeks.
I love you.
Let me see your little noser. Okay, let me see your arms. You gotta share it with Daddy because Daddy put too much on. Other arm.
Sorry, I should have told you before.
Whoops, sorry if I poked you.
A little bit goes
Okay.
a long way with that one.
Yeah, there's cream on my finger. Probably didn't taste very good. Okay. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna do the lawnmower, but I need some more water first. Yeah, so what's the, do you remember the standards around the lawnmower? Do you remember the standards around the lawnmower? You get to help me start it, and then what happens? No. When the lawnmower is running, what do we do? Where do you go when the lawnmower is running? With? Mommy. Right?
That needs help.
Yeah, you're gonna help me. You can help me start it. And you can help me by telling me where to go and where to push it. But while it's running, where do you go? With Mommy, right? You understand? Let me hear you say it. When it's running, I go to Mommy. Say when it's running, when the lawnmower is running. Can you say it? When the lawnmower is running, Jack goes to Mommy. Sure. You're gonna help me start it. You're gonna help me start it right now.
Gas? Does it need gas?
No, it has gas. Okay. Stand over here. You want to stand right there?